Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you my quickest way of doing makeup, like my everyday makeup tutorial, like in the quickest form, like 5 minutes tops, you're done. Okay, so this video was requested by a few of my friends to show how I do my go-to makeup look. So just want to say shout out to Nana and Parry. If you're watching this, girl, I got you, I got you, I got you. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieve my go-to makeup everyday look, then definitely keep on watching. And the most important thing is to subscribe to this channel and also like the video and share with your friends and family. I mean, you can't be slaying alone. Like, why? You can't be slaying and not slay with your friends. Like, so when you take pictures, all of you guys will be like, all of you guys will be slaying. It's like only you and a few people, like the whole group, the whole squad will be slaying. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and let's get into the video. Okay, so first things first, what you want to do is you want to tone your skin. Now what I usually use to tone my skin is this witch hazel. Here we have shout out to Adjoa for getting me this witch hazel. What our friends for. Every day we go into our brochure and be getting our stones, so I'm going to put that in this thing on this pad and then apply it on my face, like apply it on my face gently to take off all the excess dirt and excess oil of my face. And then the next thing that you want to do is obviously you want to lay eyebrows. Now I have a video on eyebrows. It's 2019. If you still can't do your eyebrows, then Charlie, Easter convention is coming. You probably would want to go and pray about it, because there are tons and tons of videos on how to do your eyebrows. Like mine, so easy, super easy, and the products are not even expensive. So if you still cannot draw your eyebrows, Charlie, Easter convention, try and see if you can get help there, because eyebrow tutorials are all over. I'm going to link mine up here so that if you still can't draw your eyebrows, then you just try watching that video. Okay, so you're going to draw we're going to draw the eyebrows very quickly, and then so you're going to draw the eyebrows very quickly, and then we are going to come back and continue with the face. Okay, so now that we are done with the eyebrows, the next thing is to move to a primer. Now when it comes to primer, depending on the type of skin that you have, that is the corresponding primer that you're going to use. So if you have an oily skin, you have to use a mattifying primer. If you have a dry skin, you have to use a moisturizing primer or an illuminator, or an illuminator. So I just wrap the primer in my in between my fingers, and I'm going to tap that onto my skin. So I'm applying this in areas where I tend to get most oily, so around these parts of my face. Okay, so tap. Now I would usually color correct, like if I wanted a very full so initially, as I said, foundation and powder, so I'm not going to do anything more than using the foundation and the powders. So we're going to use a flat top brush. This brush is from BH Cosmetics, so that's the brush that we are going to use. I would normally use the one from Nude, but I think I used that was it yesterday or the day before yesterday. So I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics brush, and then I'm going to apply my foundation on my skin. So foundation, I apply it on my face first, then I buff it in with the brush. And then I tap it onto my skin. So so if there's any type of foundation that you have that's like you like using on a daily basis, that is what you're going to use. So tap. Now because this is a quick go-to makeup, I didn't color correct, but if I was doing like a serious glam makeup, then with that I would definitely color correct. But this is just a quick one. So Okay, so now that we are done applying the foundation, we're not going to use any type of concealers to do highlights and concealer. We are only going to use powders, okay? So we're going to use a lighter powder, a darker powder, and a powder of our skin tone, and that's it basically. So let's finish up with this, and then we move to the powder. So with the powder, these are things that I usually use here. So when you mix these two powders, if you're on this channel, you should know this thing right now. So we're going to mix the two powders and apply it to areas where we would usually highlight with a concealer. So no concealer, we're just going to use powders. So I'm going to use a smaller brush to do this thing. So mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, and then we highlight. Okay, so tap 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 tap. So these are areas where you usually put your concealer, but then in this tutorial we're not going to use any concealer, so we're going to use powders. Okay, then I'm going to use a darker powder. This is the darker powder that we are going to use, and I'm going to use this one. Okay, it's a bronzer, and I'm going to use that to bronze my face. So the areas where I would usually highlight, the areas where I usually contour, I'm going to use this powder there. So I'm going to change this brush to a much bigger brush. So we're going to use this brush rather to bronze the face up. So motion, motion. And then I'm going to use a very small brush to apply that around this contour brush to apply that where I would contour my nose. So you all can see the definition that we have on the face. We're just using powders. So I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to use that to create some sort of definition around my, my crease area. So that is what I'm doing, creating some definition. So after that, I'm just going to use the same foundation powder and my overall face powder to put everything together. So let's dust everything. So this is where the makeup ends really. So yeah, if you are into powder and foundation, this is where it ends for you. But if you want to go the extra mile, then you can stick and stay and then watch what I have to add to it. So we are going to do some highlights. So let's get this thing rolling. So we're going to take this highlighter front brush to do a bit of highlight. Now shout outs to Adra for getting me this, like these brushes. I love them so much. So we're going to use this thing to do a bit of highlight. Just something little, not overpowering. So after that, what you want to do is you want to apply your mascara. Today's look, you're not going to apply any sort of false lashes or eyeliner, so it's just mascara at the top and bottom lashes. After the mascara, you're going to take a bit of the highlighter and we are going to put that in the inner tear duct. So that's what you're going to do. So inner tear duct. Take it up a bit to open up the eye. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is to line our lips with a lip pencil, and then we move on. So line the lip with a lip pencil. We apply a lip gloss, any lip gloss of your choice, you apply. And then we go ahead and then set the entire face. So I'm going to set my face. So we're going to wait for everything to come together. Now the reason why you set your face is so that you take that powdery thing, you know, off, make everything look, you know, put together. That is why we set the face. So we are going to wait for this thing to dry, and I'm going to come back and you guys can see the final look. Yeah, so guys, this is the end of the super easy video. I hope you guys can easily recreate this look. I hope this video goes up just in time for the Easter holiday, so that you guys, if you want to, you know, go out with your friends, you know, church, you can slay this simple easy look. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, a thumbs up, and share with your friends and families. Like, just share, put on your WhatsApp status, like, just share the link, like share the link. Yeah, that is basically that. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. I'm not going to say coming soon, because the moment I say coming soon, they will be like, bitch, no, the video is not going to go up soon. No. So I'll see you when I see you, but I hope I'll see you very soon. So yeah, peace out.